So, good morning, guys. This is the report of Group 5, the Geotechnical Engineering Orientation. So, I am Frederick Ilan.
I am James Darelle Dinio.
I am Jeremy Castrence.
And I'm Jefferson Salvino.
So, yan, guys. So, our report is basically about geotechnical engineering. So, first slide. So, guys, based on the photos above, can you tell me your own view on what is the meaning of geotechnical engineering? Sabihin na natin hindi nyo pa nababasa yung buong slide natin. Before we get into this topic, ano yung tingin nyo na ibig sabihin ng geotechnical engineering?
For me, geotechnical engineering is responsible for the making the site safe before the construction or the building the structure.
Okay. Anyone, guys?
For me, geotechnical engineering is a branch of civil engineering that deals with soils.
So, gaya ng sinabi nila, I agree na focus on soil properties and kung saan itatayo yung structures na gawin.
Okay. So, yan. So, what is geotechnical engineering? By the way, salamat, guys. So, first, it deals with the soil and rock behavior in an engineering perspective. According to the name, geotechnical, so geo, so soil and rock behavior. Next, it involves assessing slope stability and risk of landslide, rockfall, and avalanches. So, alam naman natin, di ba, na yung mga structures natin is majority nakalagay sa isang plane, sa isang lupa, o sa isang soil. So, geotechnical engineering is basically sila nag-a-assess ng mga place kung saan natin itatayo yung mga structures natin. Next is defining the soil strength and deformation properties. So, clay, silt, sand, rocks, and snow are important materials in geotechnics. Geotechnical engineering includes specialist fields such as soil and rock mechanics, geophysics, hydrology, and associated disciplines such as geology. So, ito yung mga nandito. Ito yung mga bagay na laging dinidil ng mga geotechnical engineers. So, hindi lang siya nakabase sa isang field, but nag-work siya differently, lalong-lalo na sa iba't ibang branches of science. So next is the history of geotechnical engineering. Paano nga ba nagsimula ang geotechnical engineering? So, primitive era. So, basically, the history of geotechnical engineering is long and quite interesting. Our ancestors in olden days used soil for an extensive variety of activities, from building and creation of construction materials to irrigation and flood control. However, the earliest applications were not very much advanced. It was simply related to flood control as well as irrigation, as exhibited by traces of dikes, dams, and canals that have been discovered in some parts of ancient Egypt, Greece, and other parts of the world. So, geotechnical engineering during primitive eras, especially dun sa Egypt and Greece, so hindi sila sobrang advanced. More on ang application lang nila ay for flood control and irrigations. Kasi yun lang naman yung basic ng mga panahon na yon. Hindi pa sila gumagawa ng mga skyscrapers, such structures like that. So, These are the dikes, dams, and canals. So next,
Next is the perception of soil design as an art rather than science. Next. As the city arises, by formalized foundation, ancient Greek notably constructed pad footings and constructed also strip and rough foundation. But until 18th century, yan, it is visible na gumagawa na sila ng iba't ibang uri ng strip and rough foundation. Unconsciously, namana nila mula sa long process ng paggawa na dati pa na-establish, unti-unti na-develop nila through experience. And this kind of foundation na ginagamit na nila mula dati pa, na na-develop din nila mula sa previous na mga pagkakamali, ay nagpatibay sa mga establishment. Pero sinasabi na ito ay walang theoretical or no science basis based sa pagkakagawa nila. And also, hindi nila kino-consider kung yung ano ba natin na yung kagaya ngayon na tinetest muna kung ano yung tibay ng ilalim ng lupa, kung ano yung components niya. Pero before, nagpo-focus sila sa art. Nakita naman natin sa picture na more on focus sila sa mga columns na magaganda, mga design. Pero hindi nila kino-consider yung mismong strength ng ilalim ng lupa. Ayan. Next.
next,
So, it's the foundation-related engineering issues. Next. So, some factors that may contribute to foundation issues and weather condition, profile, slope movement, and expansive soils. Next po. So, isa sa example sa foundation-related engineering issue is yung the Leaning Tower of Pisa, or in Italian words, Torre Pendente di Pisa. Sinimula na itong gawin noong August 1173 at natapos siya noong mid-1300s. Nagsimula siyang mag-lean nung ginagawa yung third story niya. So bakit nga ba nag-lean yung tower? It is because it was dug 3 meters deep and built on dense clay, which is not a very stable place to build a 14,500 ton tower. So sa sobrang bigat ng tower na binild, hindi na kayanin ng ground or ng soil na pa yung tower, kaya siya nag-lean. So maraming mga paraan na ginamit para maayos yung tower, pero hindi siya naayos. Natigil lang yung paglinya nung ginamitan siya nung nag-drill ng pile sa opposite leaning side. Next po.
next. Next, guys. Hello? Okay, Jefferson, Salvino. Hello? Sige, ako na lang yung mag-ano. Sige, Kuya Jefferson Salvino. Sabihin mo na lang yung part na report mo. Cut natin.